In a move that's making waves across the tech world, Anthropic has just acquired Bun, the high-performance JavaScript runtime. This comes right on the heels of Claude Code reaching a staggering $1 billion in run rate revenue, just 6 months after going public. But the real story isn't just about JavaScript or another big tech buyout. It's about the infrastructure powering the next generation of AI-driven software development. Today, we'll break down why this acquisition matters, what makes Bun so special, and how it signals a new era for developers and AI tools alike. Claude Code, Anthropic's flagship AI coding assistant, has taken the industry by storm. In just half a year since its public launch, it's already generating over $1 billion in annualized revenue. This rapid growth is no accident. It's built on a foundation of robust, high-speed infrastructure. As AI assistants like Claude Code write and test code at machine speed, the underlying runtime must be able to keep up. That's where Bun comes in, providing the speed and reliability needed for this new wave of AI-powered development. Bun started as a faster alternative to Node.js, but it quickly evolved into something much bigger. For years, developers have relied on Bun for its impressive performance and all-in-one toolkit. Unlike traditional JavaScript runtimes that require multiple tools for different tasks, Bun streamlines the entire workflow. Its acquisition by Anthropic felt almost inevitable, given its growing importance in powering AI coding tools like Claude Code, Factory AI, and OpenCode. As AI assistants take on more of the coding workload, the need for fast, reliable runtimes becomes critical. Bun is already the backbone for several leading AI coding tools. When your AI assistant is writing and testing code at machine speed, every millisecond counts. Anthropic's acquisition of Bun is a clear signal. The future of software development will be shaped by those who control the infrastructure that makes AI coding possible. Bun isn't just another JavaScript runtime. Founded by Jared Sumner in 2021, it was built from the ground up to address the pain points of existing tools. Most JavaScript runtimes require developers to juggle multiple tools: Node.js for runtime, NPM or Yarn for packages, Webpack or Ease Build for bundling, and Jest for testing. Each comes with its own configuration and performance issues. Bun changes the game by packaging everything into a single, streamlined executable. Bun's performance numbers are impressive. It starts up 4 times faster than Node.js for basic scripts. Package installations are a staggering 29 times faster than NPM. When running TypeScript, Bun is 5 times faster than the Ease Build and Node.js combo, thanks to its native TypeScript support. Under the hood, Bun uses JavaScript Core, the engine behind Safari, instead of V8, which means faster startup and better memory efficiency. These optimizations make Bun the ideal choice for AI coding tools that demand speed and efficiency. Bun's engineering goes even deeper. It's built with Zig, a low-level programming language that enables aggressive optimization. This means Bun can squeeze out every bit of performance possible, making it not just fast, but also highly efficient. For developers, this translates into real-world benefits: drop-in Node.js compatibility, native TypeScript and JSX support, a built-in test runner that's 13 times faster than Jest, and a package manager that truly respects your time. Bun's adoption metrics speak volumes. With over 500,000 downloads each week and more than 82,000 GitHub stars, it's clear that developers are embracing this tool. Major companies like Midjourney and Lovable are already using Bun in production. What began as one developer's frustration with slow JavaScript tooling has now become essential infrastructure, powering the tools that are rewriting how we build software. Anthropic's decision to acquire Bun wasn't just about technology, it was about vision. Claude Code, which started as an internal experiment, quickly became a public sensation. The collaboration between Anthropic and Bun was already central to Claude Code's infrastructure. When Claude Code launched its native installer, allowing users to run it as a single executable without Node.js, it was Bun's technology that made it possible. This deep integration made the acquisition a logical next step. Jared Sumner and his team at Bun reimagined the entire JavaScript toolchain from first principles. Their focus was always on real-world use cases, not just theoretical improvements. As more code is written, tested, and deployed by AI agents, the importance of fast, predictable runtimes grows. Anthropic recognized this and moved to secure the infrastructure that would support AI-led development for years to come. Before the acquisition, Bun was VC-backed, but lacked a clear path to monetization. Developers loved it, but there were questions about its long-term sustainability. With Anthropic's resources and commitment, Bun now has a secure future and a clear purpose: to be the foundation for AI coding infrastructure. This eliminates uncertainty and gives developers confidence to adopt Bun for their most critical projects. One of the first questions developers asked after the acquisition was whether Bun would remain open source. The answer is a resounding yes. Bun will continue to be MIT licensed, one of the most permissive licenses available. Anthropic has committed to keeping Bun open and maintaining its compatibility with Node.js. This means developers can migrate their existing Node projects to Bun without rewriting code, preserving Bun's status as a drop-in replacement. For developers using Claude Code, the benefits of this acquisition are already becoming clear. With Anthropic now directly supporting the team behind Bun, users can expect faster performance, improved stability, and new features tailored for AI coding workflows. The broader JavaScript and TypeScript ecosystem also stands to gain, as Bun's enhanced resources and stability make it an even more attractive choice for modern development. Anthropic's acquisition of Bun sets a new standard for how AI companies approach infrastructure. Rather than just building on top of existing tools, they're investing in the very foundation of AI software development. This move shows a commitment to technical excellence and a belief that AI-led development will soon become the norm. By owning the infrastructure layer, Anthropic is positioning itself at the heart of the next big shift in software engineering. As the dust settles on this acquisition, one thing is clear: infrastructure decisions reveal where companies believe the market is heading. Anthropic isn't hedging its bets, it's making a bold move to own the foundation of AI-driven software development. With Bun now part of its arsenal, Anthropic is better equipped to meet the growing demands of AI coding tools and set the pace for the industry. The future of software development is being rewritten, and Bun is at the center of it all.